All right, 1 minute to midnight, and let's try to make this work. All right, check this out. These are the things that you're going to be actually installing. First, you want to install the gem. Make sure you put it above the N. Let me show you what I'm talking about really quick. Make sure you install it. Once you do that, then you're going to run the bundle. Then you're going to run this line. Then you're going to run this line. Migrate the database. Then run this line. And with the views, it actually creates a new folder for you. So when you get all said and done, it's going to create device right there. And we can go ahead and show you guys what my site actually does. Right, so we're actually on my website right now. I already cranked up the server, and that's me. Please don't ask me how I got that nickname. That's something anyway. Here you go to calculate on that. But as soon as I click on, it's going to ask for a login. So let me go ahead and log authentication with Rails. There we go. Now, before we proceed, you see that you can edit the profile. It's taking a second just to load up, so it's all right. Taking a second, and there we go. Do not want to do that. So you can add a user, add your little profile, change the password, the account. You go ahead and do that as well, but I don't want to do that. Remember with the workouts I was telling you, right? Now you can get into the workout. You are now a member of Beast Mode Training. Beast Mode. Here we go. We got the video kind of work, and you can no beast with this. As you see, do something crazy. Also be the muscles. Khalees muscle. Start looking like that guy, and get that cardio kickboxing, adding this a little bit. Sometimes highly intense, as you can tell, but that's what beast mode is about. Now you go ahead, and then you're gonna take you back to the home base. You want to make sure that you browse. Let me show you what I'm talking about with that. Also, fields. Now, first thing I want to show you guys. Now, you might run into the issue with those fields being too long. So to correct that, you want to go to all your templates. I mean all of them. Run through all these, and you're gonna have to actually add this little code with the style to the width. Add that where you see focus, autofocus, autocomplete off. Just add it to all of your templates in your device. I mean, just run through all of them, just make sure all your bases are covered. Now, as far as your layouts, it's going to be something that you're going to see. You want to make sure that for logout, it's going to be going to this path, that method. But, it's just to help you guys out. So just pause this for reference. Also going to be something in their video that I also sent you guys. Pause this. This is like a little navigation, how I have it set up. You can kind of do something similar or not, but that's what you got right there. So gotta get rid of that. It's no longer needed. Then remember with how you can't sign into that logout. That's actually because of this. It's a little filter for authentication on the users. And only thing you can see is my little home page, what it shows, and that calculator, what you can click on. So that's what's all going on there. Also, let's see, as far as with controllers, all right. Application controller, if you guys have a problem with it actually going back to welcome to Rails, this will fix that. Go to your application controller and you're gonna define this. And whatever path you name that, it's gonna be, of course, it's gonna be different for you. But let me take you to your routes as well. Let me show you something far with my routes. Nah, I don't need to go there. I'm about to show you guys something there, but it's not necessary. Now, I ran into this issue before. We have a route to something something, and you know you can just basically type in the URL in the 3000 to change that little welcome to Rails. But we start trying to work on different sites. You start to run into different issues. So to kind of solve that, I'm gonna have it do like a get. I mean, then you know, of course, you might have a slash to whatever folder you have all your content in. And so since I got in Beast as my main folder, let me show you. Not that far back. Since that is actually my main folder, I'm gonna have it double quotation marks, comma 2, colon, single quotation, that folder slash, you might call this index, or you might have it call your home page, or where you might have it called, where the first page you want people to go to, call it that. So that's why we see here, you go to beast mode, there you go. And you might run different applications, so it won't have that kind of conflict. Also at the top, as you may have seen, this actually goes to that little destroy section I just showed you as well. So it kind of does that for you, kind of loops through, sees it, and you'll be able to destroy a session. So that's able to log out. As you probably can see. And show you guys this one more time. Make sure you get all the information right there. Pause the video at any point that you might find helpful. So I hope you guys find this very helpful, and I will see you guys in class on Tuesday. All right.